Good morning, Coaster Top friends.
Good morning.
We are doing the last park of our trip.
Yes.
It's not actually the last one. We're gonna do one more, but it's very small and we're not gonna film it. We only film like the more major stuff. This is not a major park, but it's a park.
It's a park.
So this is Taunus Wunderland. Have you been here?
Never.
No, me neither. Anyways, let's see how this is. They have a tilting drop tower. They have 2 roller coasters, one small little spin coaster. There have been like on 10 of those. And also one little bigger coaster. That could be fun. They also are building a roller coaster, a Mack powered coaster, which is relocated. But it's not open. We were in contact with them. They're not done yet. Anyway, we're gonna enter the park. So this went really fast. We just walked on the side, we scanned our prepaid tickets. Here you have the tilting drop tower called Knall and Fall. Knall och Fall, as you would say in Swedish. Sarah is checking it out. Let's go find some roller coasters. Yes. Dino Tal, Opa Alfred's Dino Tal. So I guess this is a dino park. Sarah said, watch it so they don't bite. Could you check if there's electricity in the fence? Please.
No, I don't know.
Please. It is. Are you okay? Was it fine? 10,000 volts.
Yes.
I can imagine this is amazing for kids. Look, an Ensosaurus Rex. It's a trash can.
Love it.
Papier here. Dankeschön. This, I have to say, look at this. It's very cute. Like overlooking the park. Right?
We do that.
I think we should do that later. Right? Yeah. Here's the Wild Mouse. The, for us, most fun coaster in the park. Yes, I like this. This is looking really nice. I am not. Look at that. He's riding. Wow.
You want to do that?
That's fantastic. No, thank you.
This one.
Someone is really scared of the wild mouse, sounds like. We're gonna do that soon. We're just actually right now enjoying this park, which is a big surprise this far. It is.
Very nice.
It's very nice. It's built on a hill. Everything is like, I feel it's going very fast, going down. The other way is gonna be hard. Look at the swing, it's very pretty. And look at that, right, Sarah, look at that one. This is so pretty. So pretty. Wilde Maus.
He's getting ready.
Nej, du får hjälpa mig.
Inte hjälpa dig.
Jo.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Yeah.
ready.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna ride the wild mouse,
Yes.
which I think looks really fun,
Yes, it does.
right?
So nice. Look at this park. So beautiful. Like Candyland. Or what did you say in German?
Zuckerwattenland.
Supervattenland.
I think we need to film in here.
Yes.
There's someone in the toilet. Aber nicht schnell, ich bin schon länger hier.
Nej.
Careful behind us.
Åh nej. Hejdå.
Wilde Maus, Taunus Wunderland. Ein you love wild mouses.
Yes, I do.
I agree with you. I think they're really fun.
They are really fun.
It's quite normal that most of them, I think, in my opinion, have the lift hill on the other side than this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hold on. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wee. Look at the Flume ride over there. We're gonna go over there and watch. Wee. Oh, wee. It's not that fast like the other ones that we have done lately.
Oh.
Oh, wee. Oh, wee. And by the way, I found out something yesterday that we didn't say in the vlog and that I also didn't tell you, and I'm gonna tell you very soon. Wow, it's very smooth. Wow. I think we need to ride this one again, just you know. And here we go. Oh, oh. So, you know Takawaka that we rode yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah. It wasn't brand new. Oh, it opened in 2022, I think it was, in Freisetland Geiselwind.
Yeah.
Geiselwind, I don't know, whatever, you understand. But before that, it was on Gotland in Sweden.
Ah.
I'm not kidding. So we did 3 rides in Wildemaus here at Taunus Wunderland. I think these guys are having really fun. Yeah, they do. The trains are really nice. It looks really cool. They're gonna go in the drop now. Look at this. And the last 2 drops. Fun little ride. Anyways,
Don't put your hand here.
Oh, no. What did you do? Was it wet?
Yep.
Yeah, I can tell. Anyways, let's check out the rest of the park. We are strolling. This is a very small park, but it is
That's not horses.
really cute. That is not horses.
Donkeys.
She said they have horses here, but they're strange horses.
As well.
They had, there's a horse. Yes, they're donkeys. Anyway, look at this. I'm not sure if this is open, but there's a ride here called Expedition, I think, and it's like cars driving around, and you drive inside of this. I have to say they put a lot of effort into this park. Last roller coaster of this park is named Kudelmoodel. I think because it's cows. It's spinning cows. We have ridden a lot of those. I have to say they're not bad though. I love the concept. I really love the concept. So you're gonna ride that one? I think this is the queue for the Flume ride.
It's a singing moose.
It's a singing moose, yes. Let's do this one. So the music of this ride is spot on, the least to say. Anyway, I don't know what number of SPF Visa, whatever this model is called, I don't remember. This is, but we have ridden plenty of these.
They're very cozy.
They are very cozy. It's a perfect little kiddie machine. I so want Enzo to grow a little bit so he can ride these.
They're so fun.
Because this is gonna be a hit. I promise. Whee! If you're watching this POV, by the way, make sure you watch all of our vlogs. We have a million. Not really, but we have plenty. We have many vlogs. And from this trip we have 5, 6, I don't know. I don't even know. There's quite a few vlogs. I have to say that was a nice run sitting like that.
Yes.
That was great. Yeah, I saw that. I have to say, these are very smooth.
Yes.
They're very smooth rides. Oh, we are doing so many more laps than we have done in the other ones we have ridden. I don't know what lap we are in now. I lost the count.
I lost count.
Yeah. But I have to say, huge points to Taunus Wunderland.
Yes.
Wunderland, sorry. Huge points.
Very fresh, like nice park.
Nice park. Oh, Skuddelmoodle. And then look at this. Also very, very cute ride here. There's a flower on top.
Oh, so nice.
Onkel Benno's Gickelbahn. Maybe that's the water ride down there. We don't know. Just strolling around this park. The Flume ride is over our heads. It looks like quite a big Flume ride for this park, I have to say. We have to walk around and see what we can find here. Their Flume is really pretty. Look at the station house. It's not that big, but it's still quite a nice layout here. You go up there, you have a turntable, and then you come back down here, and then into the end there. I think it's looking really great. Oh, they got splashed. Oh, they got soaked. Ah, no way. Sorry, we're not doing that. Not a chance. I like the boats also. It looks really, really nice, this Flume. They really do take safety seriously. Do you see the fencing here with the lights? That's for entering into where the dinosaurs were before. So that's good that they take safety serious. This is quite cool. Have a crashed plane here for this ride. Really cool. So we are strolling around the park. We had some lunch and now we're just trying to find the new roller coaster and the new area of the park, because they're expanding with 35,000 square meters, which is quite a big chunk of land for this park, to be honest. But anyway, we found it, so we're gonna have a look at it. It's not done whatsoever, but we can at least look at it. That's fun.
We come very close.
Yeah, we can come quite close to it, we think. So they do really have plans for this area. Supposed to have some pizza. There was a fountain that we just passed. Here it is, the Mack powered coaster. I have to say that I love that it's open this far, even if nothing is open here. Oh, this ride is open. I take it back. Look, that's really cute.
Yeah.
And there's some arcades there and toilets. Okay, so part of it is open. But anyway, here it is, the Mack powered coaster. They really are finishing the ride because there's a train there. So I'm pretty sure that they have been testing for quite a bit. Just finishing off the station and the surroundings, which are, as you can see, quite large. This is really cool. You can probably decide here. It looks like you can decide if you want to go upside down or not. Yes, you can. Really cool thing. It's called Milanflug. Anyways, this one behind us is Gobi Express, and it's going. We think it's going to be a Mack Product Perfect. That's Taunus Wunderland. Can we make our way to the exit?
Sure.
Yes. It's such a strange concept, having a tilting drop tower. I understand that you tilt the seats, but here you tilt the whole tower. The kids like it, Daddy does not. Love the theming here in the background and everything is great. Wow, fun. We just said that all the buildings, basically, look at this, the theming here is really nice. And this is the entrance. It's a tent. We don't really understand what happened. Maybe it's just for now, maybe they're gonna fix it, but anyway, quite fun. Guys, that was Taunus Wunderland. Sarah, did you have fun?
It was really fun.
Yeah.
And I'm very impressed about this park.
Yes, me too.
I didn't thought it was so nice.
No, I did not think it was gonna be that pretty and themed. Really fun park. The wild mouse is really, really fun. We like those anyway.
We rode it 3 times.
Yes, we did. You saw the new coaster. We looked around in the whole park. We hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe,
Like
and comment. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.